Happy Tuesday, everybody. I hope you had a lot of fun filling in the hexagon yesterday and playing with that program. Anytime you want to practice or use it or explore, go ahead. It's a very fun game and you're learning while you're doing it. Shh, don't tell. Learning can be a lot of fun, especially with cool stuff like that. So today, as promised, we are going to be doing something with the pattern blocks, something different than just fill in the hexagon. You see what I have here? I built something with my pattern blocks. What does this look like to you? Looks like a person, right? A girl. Head, body, a little skirt, legs and feet, arms. Can you tell what this looks like? Kind of. Use your imagination. I built it to be a giraffe. Long neck, its head, body, and legs. So today, we are going to be doing a pattern block fill-in. We're going to be finding different shapes. So you are going to need to be in Schoology for this. Right here. Here is Tuesday. Now, we're going to have some stuff up here. So it says, when you are done, choose a pattern puzzle from this site. We're going to go right there, and I'm going to teach you what to do. So this is a little bit different. It looks the same, very similar to the other one, where you can move this. Okay, but before you do that, see this up here says pattern puzzles. I want you to click on that, and I want you to choose a pattern to work on. All right, you get to pick whichever one you want. We're going to start with this one. Okay, look at that. It looks like a little bunny, right? What shape could I use to start filling this in? Because these pattern puzzles are full. You can decompose it, break it down into different shapes. So yesterday, we used the guess and check, we used the visualize, and we used the attributes. Today, I'm narrowing it down. You may not use the guess and check. Your main one is to visualize it, right? And when you visualize it, you automatically think of the attributes, whether your brain knows it or not. It's still the same rules, no gaps, no overlaps, and inside the lines. So let's look, let's visualize. I bet you already knew some of the shapes because your brain automatically visualized. Right here. What shape does this look like? I'm looking, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. I'm visualizing and I'm thinking about the attributes. Do you know a shape I could put there? Absolutely, the hexagon. Oh, I line it up perfectly. Nice job. Whoa, not what I wanted. Okay. And you can turn it just like the other one, but I want to keep it just like that. What could go here? What shape, which one of these could go there? It looks like a rhombus. Let's try this rhombus. Is this the correct rhombus? Oh, doesn't really look like it. So let's try this one instead, because there's 2 different rhombuses here. Oh, I can already tell it looks a little bit more like it. Oh, can you see it now? Can you visualize? Good job. So then you do another one right there. Visualize. What could go here? I know that my eyes are seeing 3 sides, and my brain knows the attributes of that shape. So what shape has 3 sides? Triangle. Brain is so ready for this. Like how it gets bigger. Oops. If you click on this, you can't turn it. You have to use the arrows. I just learned that. See, we're going to learn together. All right, and then you're going to do another one right here. I'm going to click on that and drag it over. Oh, it's so close. But does it fit the lines? Nope. And right now it's overlapping on this yellow. See it right there? So I have to move it down. All right. What does this look like to you? I see. Oh, it almost looks like this is covering it a little bit. This is tough to get it just right. Oh, there we go. What does this look like? I see it's two parallel sides and then two sides like that. There's four sides with one set of parallel sides. I know that that is a trapezoid. Let's see if it fits because I'm not sure. It might be a different one. Oh, I did not see that coming. I thought it was going to take up the whole thing. Did you? So what could go here? Huh, look at this corner right here. What does that kind of look like to you? Yeah, what has, it could have two sides, but we know it doesn't have two sides because then it'd be open. And that can't be a shape because our shapes have to be closed. You could try this because I know that it has a corner that might fit perfectly if I line it up. Oh, look at. Line it up. Okay. Are you visualizing what's left? Do you see it? I see it too. I can visualize and look at the attributes because it looks a lot like this one. Now, you could do another trapezoid, right? But I'm going to challenge myself and you. I'm going to try it with a triangle. What if I put a triangle right here? What else do you visualize now? Other triangles, because guess what? A trapezoid is three triangles. So I bet this will be three triangles too. But I gotta spin because I can't have any overlaps and I can't have any gaps. And then I get another one. Do you see it down there? I only need one more. Let's see. Right there. And spin. Line it up. Nice job. We have one more to do. Oop, there's a little bit of a gap. Move it just a little bit. Do the best you can. It's hard. Right here. We need another one of these. Let's finish this. Because we know that that's the same shape. Whoa, I didn't know I could do that. Wow. Okay, there we go. Third time's a charm. Glad it wasn't 3 strikes and I'm out. All right, well, this ear does not want to play along with me, does it? Okay. Phew, that was complicated, wasn't it? All right, so look at the shape now. Did we do it? How many hexagons did I use? 1. How many triangles did I use? Count them. 5. Whew. How many rhombuses did I use? This is tricky because I used 1 blue one and I used 2 the skinnier white ones, but they're all still rhombuses. So how many rhombuses did I use? 3. How many trapezoids? Just 1. Yep, I could have used 2, but I could also use something besides a hexagon there. So on your own, or with some help, it doesn't matter because some of these are harder than others. All right, so look at all these pattern puzzles you can use. Choose one. Oh, there's more right there. So then you can fill it in. If you want to start over, there's a start over button. Clear your work, yes please. Then you can pick a new pattern puzzle. Merry Christmas, ho ho ho. Pick which one you want and work on it. And if you build it one way, see if you can start over and then do it a different way. Because some shapes can be decomposed into other shapes, just like our trapezoid, thank you, our trapezoid can actually be 3 triangles, right? So you could make it with one set of shapes and then make it again with a different set of shapes. Challenge yourself. See what you can do. Then when you're done trying, about 3. Work on 3 puzzles if you can. Unless you thought you picked a challenging one, and then you won't need it. Did you see that my battery is dying? Yep. So then you're going to come back here, and your exit ticket has to do with pattern blocks. So I really hope you were using your visualization. Okay, so this is about somebody who started a dog pattern block. So Sophia started to fill in the shape above. She filled in 2 shapes and then stopped. How could she finish? Be sure to fill in how she finished below. So what could she use here? I want you to visualize. This is really working on using your brain and thinking about the attributes. Once you think about it, how many? This is a super challenge because there isn't a doggy over here, is there? Nope. So you're going to have to imagine. Right? So what could she use? If she used another hexagon, write the number of how many hexagons. So I want the number of how many of each. Okay, if she only used 1 triangle, write 1 triangle. If she used 3 rhombuses, write a 3 here. And then total is how many shapes total. There are different ways to do this because we know a hexagon can be made different ways. So what shapes do you think you would use to finish Sophia's work? Okay, super challenge. So you write in how many, did you use any squares? If you did, write the number in. Did you use triangles? If you did, write the number in. Did you use rhombuses? How many? Write how many in. Same with the hexagons, the trapezoids, or the rectangle. That looks like a crooked rectangle, doesn't it? It's a rectangle, believe it or not. All right, and then when you're done, turn it in. Turn it in. And then you are all set. And I will see you tomorrow for our live Zoom. I hope to see you there. Have a great day. Bye.